It's been so long since I've been here. What the heck, dude? Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, back again for another video. If you are new, I really hope you hit that subscribe button and you stick around. Because this is so weird. I haven't been back in so long. College is something, and yeah, but today is Valentine's Day, and I want to do a Valentine's Day look, or at least film it while I play around. It's kind of going to be just like going through it and just filming it, and we'll see how it turns out, because if I like it, I'll upload it. If not, we'll see. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's kind of more red than I thought it would be, but you know, it's Valentine's Day. I'm gonna wear red and pink. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is my first video back. Hopefully, I'll actually be back this time instead of saying I'm back like 5 times and then I just disappear. I upload one video and I disappear. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, it's gonna go up after Valentine's Day because I'm just that late. But, nevertheless, I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye, baby loves. I didn't think about how I was gonna film this. Okay. Gotta upload soon. Oh, I forgot I was recording. That's a blooper.